Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Techie Entertainment, where today I will be restoring a Apple Mac keyboard from 2002 or 2003. It doesn't say. This video goes along with the two-part series of the restoration of the eMac. We first start off with removing all of the keys. Now I have this thing right here. I wish I had it back then when I actually was restoring this, but this came with my dad's mechanical keyboard that he just bought, and this would have been very useful, but no, I had to use a screwdriver, and as you guys can see, this is the most disgusting keyboard that I or probably any of you guys have ever seen. This thing is like filled with coffee. And also, by the way, the bottom row of keys do not work. More on that later. Finally, all the keys removed. Time to transport this project over to the kitchen. As you guys can currently see, I am adding water to this Ziploc bag and also adding dish detergent to it to clean out the keys. Hey Bodie, you like the keyboard? Alright, time to open up the keyboard and actually clean the insides. Now, we'll save that big white plastic piece for the last thing to clean. Alright, time to clean the circuitry. Okay, good for you, Harry. You've cleaned all of the circuitry. Now let's move on to the big, disgusting plastic pieces. I'll use some other cleaner, I guess. I don't actually really know what it is. It's just kind of cleaner. Time to actually look at those keys, so spread them all out. And they're absolutely disgusting, so what the heck happened? So, alright, time to spend another 3 hours to clean the keys. Using actual cleaner. Time to put the whole thing back together and actually see if the bottom row of keys still work. And I really hope that they do. So I just spent 6 hours working on this project with the keyboard here, and guess what? No, it still does not work. The bottom row of keys still do not work. I don't seem mad, but I want to scream right now. So yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took a while to make. In fact, it took nearly 3 months to make, mostly because of procrastination and other things. Yeah. All right. Goodbye, people, or person that is watching this.